What we found out was that students had a lot of difficulties, surprisingly, students had a lot of difficulties with very basic skills that we assumed that they had.
I really don't come from like a strong math background just because like my high school was not very good. Different departments give you like homework where it's just like you're expected to know it, and they really don't give you this option to like learn like basic skills that you may not know.
And they spend a lot of time struggling with these basic skills, and they miss a lot of the higher level problem solving that goes on in physics.
So we spent a number of years studying these difficulties in detail and learning just exactly how to get them to practice to do better. What we provided is a very low-risk environment. The students basically practice between 5 and 20 minutes every week, and they practice a few different skills every week, but they keep seeing these skills over and over again to make sure that they become fluent in these skills.
The system had been built in about 2014 and had been already running with students and demonstrating a lot of potential, so we're excited to help them out with an impact grant to make the system even better.
Our involvement in this project has been to bring together all the parts necessary to help this system succeed. So all of these people have been needed to make sure that the system was working correctly, that the infrastructure is doing what it needs to do, and do it securely.
So with the money of the grant and with the hours of the team, we were able to improve the security of the system, improve the efficiency of the system, and improve the look and feel of the system. We also, importantly, made it usable by all students, even those with various disabilities.
Which was really important because there are blind physicists. Thinking about those things when developing this application was absolutely crucial, and this team was particularly passionate about that and dedicated to collaborating with the right people in order to make that happen.
We've demonstrated by measuring pre and post tests that the students gain quite a bit from the beginning of the quarter to the end of the quarter, and they retain this information for months after the quarter as well.
It's exciting to see that small investments of time on the students' part bring such great return on the investment.
Knowing that in only 30 minutes or less, once a week, we can improve those skills, it's a great feeling because it doesn't put a lot of burden on them. They like the system overall, and we know that it's having a real impact on their physics grades.
Physics is like a lot of math concepts and things like united, and I think essential skills really help like build that foundation. Without essential skills, I probably wouldn't have done as well as I did in physics.